Welcome back to Review Revolt, where we challenge the status quo of everyday tech. Today, we're diving into a keyboard that dares to look different and type even smarter, the Meetion Master Wavekeys Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard. Split design, Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, separate numeric keypad. Is this the perfect keyboard for your workflow, or just another ergonomic experiment? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice? That distinctive wave layout. It's not just for show. The gentle curvature and split keyset design are made to support a more natural typing posture. Your wrists stay relaxed, your shoulders don't hunch, and long hours feel less punishing. The black and gray color palette feels minimal and professional, but what really stands out is the build. Lightweight yet sturdy, with an integrated wrist rest that offers solid comfort out of the box. And here's a bonus. This isn't a one-size-fits-all design. You get front and back adjustable tilt stands, meaning you can customize the height and angle to suit your desk setup perfectly. Once you start typing, the keys feel tactile with a decent amount of travel. It's not mechanical level clicky, but it's satisfying enough for both fast typers and casual users. Because of the split layout, there's a learning curve, especially if you've never used an ergonomic board before. But give it a few days, and your muscle memory adapts quickly. The keyboard also includes 9 shortcut hotkeys: volume, media controls, and emoji access. It's a thoughtful touch that enhances productivity without needing extra software installs. Now, let's talk about the separate numeric keypad. Yes, it's detachable. Whether you're left-handed, right-handed, or want to free up desk space, this keypad gives you full flexibility. Place it next to your mouse, stash it in a drawer when you're not using it, or move it across your workspace depending on the task. For anyone in finance, accounting, or data entry, this modular design is a game changer. In terms of connectivity, you've got two choices: 2.4G wireless via an orange USB receiver, or Bluetooth, and each device can connect independently. That means you can hook the main keyboard to your laptop via Bluetooth, and the keypad to a tablet using the USB receiver, or vice versa. The orange dongle is your receiver, while the black one is just an adapter, a small but important detail to remember. And yes, it works seamlessly across Windows, Mac OS, and even tablets and smartphones. Switching between platforms is easy, making it ideal for hybrid work setups. Both the keyboard and keypad are powered by 2 AAA batteries each, not included, unfortunately. But Meetion has added power-saving features to stretch battery life. Sleep mode after inactivity and a physical power switch on the right side to prevent accidental keystrokes when you're tossing it into a backpack. Because it's wireless and modular, the keyboard is also great for portability. Take the pieces you need, leave the rest behind. It's a flexible solution whether you're working from home, the office, or on the go. The Meetion Master Wavekeys isn't just another ergonomic keyboard. It's a well-thought-out tool for professionals who care about comfort, flexibility, and multi-device workflows. The split layout takes some getting used to, and the AAA batteries may not be for everyone, but the pros easily outweigh the cons. If you're someone who types for hours, switches devices often, or simply wants to treat your wrists better, this keyboard is worth a serious look. Thanks for watching Review Revolt. If you found this review helpful, drop us a like and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.